Good morning, students. Today our topic is class 7th, SS subject, English medium, part first, chapter number 2, Inside Our Earth. इसमें हम पेज नंबर 12 पे हैं, जिसपे हमारा टॉपिक है आज मेन रॉक्स एंड मिनरल्स, चट्टानें और खनिज. A rocks can be defined as an aggregate of minerals. Earth is made up to rocks and minerals. The rock forming the crust of the earth are in a solid state. Any mass of hard position of the earth crust can be called as rock. They make up most of the soft material of the lithosphere. It has no defined composition. Most of the rock are mixture of various minerals in different proportions. Rocks be hard or soft. A mineral is a naturally acquiring substance having a definite chemical composition and physical properties. A rock having a large proportion of a single mineral so that the mineral concerned can be extracted economically for it is called an ore of that minerals. Magnetite and ore of iron is an example of such rocks. Type of rocks. Rocks are usually classified into three main groups depending on the way in which they have been formed. Rocks, three types: igneous, sedimentary, metamorphic. Igneous rocks. The rocks are also known as primary rocks because they are believed to be the first rocks formed on the earth. All the rocks are utility divers of igneous rocks. They cover the large percentage of the earth crust. Before formation of the crust, magma was in liquid state. Its upper layer cooled and becomes surface of the earth, which gave rise of these rocks. These rocks continue to be formed even day. Molten material in the interior of the earth is known as magma. When it comes out of the crackers in 100-kilometer deep layer through volcano, it is called lava, which on cooling forms igneous rocks of surface of the earth. Which these rocks are formed on the earth, they are called extrusive rocks. Example of such rocks and basalt and rhyolite. Interactive rocks are those igneous rocks that solidify beneath of the earth's surface. Igneous rocks have the following characteristics. Point number first, these rocks are hard and compact. हार्ड कठोर और कम्पैक्ट एक दूसरे से सटी हुई होती हैं. These rocks do not occur and distinct beds or stratus. These rocks do not have remain of the animal and or plants. These rocks do not follow water to percolate through them. Other type of rocks are formed from igneous rocks. Visible minerals such as iron, gold, silver, and aluminium are found in these rocks. So this type of interactive igneous rocks. And next type, second type of rocks, sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary rocks are the formed through consolidation of the sediments deposited in water bodies like rivers, lakes, and seas. The sediments are driven by the denudation of the rocks by agents of erosion like rivers, glaciers, winds, and waves. These agents of erosion, wind, and waves. These agents of erosion carry off the eroded particles of rocks of the water bodies and deposit of them there. So, such deposits material is called it sediments. Sediments contains loose particles of gravel, sands, silt, and clay in various proportions. Over a period of a time, significant thickness of sediments accumulates and it's consolidated or compacted to from hard rocks. These are sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary rocks are formed either mechanically, sandstones, chemically salt, or organically coal. These rocks are the most widespread and cover about 75% of the total and area of the earth. And characteristics of sedimentary rocks. Point number first, these rocks are soft than igneous rocks. Point number two, these rocks have horizontal layer arranged one above the others. Point third, these rocks are mostly found underwater and have marks of waves and mud cracks. Point number fourth, these rocks also contains remains of animals and plants called it fossil between the layer. Point number fifth, the important example are the sandstones, limestones, and coal. And next type of third rocks, metamorphic rocks. As the name suggest, metamorphic rocks are the rocks which have changed their state from their earlier forms. They are formed by the subjecting any rocks type including previously formed metamorphic rocks to different temperatures and pressures condition than those in which the original rocks was formed. These temperatures and pressures are so high that they change the original minerals into other minerals type of forms by the various natural process like recyclation, etc. Metamorphic rocks have the following characteristics. Point number first, these rocks after change remains in their original positions. Point number two, they are very hard and have a high specified gravity. Point number third, these rocks do not have empty space in them. And next, use of rocks and minerals. An ancient time, rocks were used to make tool and weapons. Point number two, rocks are widely used in the construction of roads, houses, and buildings. Point number third, minerals like coal, petroleum provide the source of the power. Point number four, chemical found in some sedimentary rocks are used to make fertilizer. Point number fifth, soil is formed from rocks. And next, point number rock cycles.